Do not love yourself. Wait, wait. Before you cancel me, let me explain. The first commandment is that we need to love God with all our heart, all our soul, and all our mind, and our neighbor as ourselves. When you say, like, like everybody say nowadays, is
Because I showed him or her so much love and they took it for granted. I'm gonna show myself that love because I deserve it.
you decide to love yourself, you are saying that, Lord, I'm going to love myself. I don't need your love because I'm going to show myself that love. I'm going to make myself happy. And how does that happiness look like? It is you living a sinful life. You satisfying your own selfish desires. And when you love yourself, you are putting yourself in a bad situation because that self love will turn into selfishness. It will turn into selfishness, and the Lord doesn't want us to be selfish, to be selfish. When you love God first, that love you want to give for yourself, because the love of the Lord is so much, it covers our every being. Because it's so much, that love you want to give yourself, you should give that to your neighbor, because you should love your neighbor as yourself. That's how life works. The Lord loves you, so you're gonna take that love that the Lord gives you and you're gonna love your neighbor with it. You don't love yourself, you love your neighbor with it. In conclusion, when you love the Lord first and you love your neighbor as yourself, you are basically loving yourself. Not showing yourself that kind of love, but because you love God first, you automatically love yourself. Because remember, the Lord told us to deny ourselves, not to love ourselves, to deny ourselves.